Hello, and thank you for tuning in on today's episode of ABH's Hardware Hard Knocks. Today we are going to be discussing aluminum continuous geared hinges. We'll be going over the different types, where and why they're commonly used, and why some people refer to ABH as the hinge king. So let's dive into the 4 different types of continuous hinges that are typically offered. Your first and most common is going to be called a full concealed, also known as a full mortise. It's called full concealed because both the leafs are concealed between the jamb and the door. Next, we have our half surface. On a half surface, your frame leaf is concealed, your door leaf is surface applied. Half mortise is essentially the same thing as a half surface, but flipped. So surface applied on the frame, concealed on the door leaf. Next, we have our full surface model. We have 3 full surface models. They are surface applied to your frame and your door. Now that we know the 4 different types, let's look into to see why they're commonly used and what are the benefits of using a continuous hinge. One of the biggest main reasons is they alleviate most alignment problems, such as door binding and sagging, by evenly distributing the weight throughout the whole frame and door. They also provide extra security by closing the gap between the jamb and the door. They're used commonly on exterior doors for that purpose. All hinges are surface applied, which means there's no mortise required. What I mean by that is you don't have to worry about prepping your frame or your door. Full surface hinges are a great solution for retrofit applications when you're looking to use existing frames and doors. All right, now that we know why people use continuous hinges, why might someone want to consider ABH on their next project? We understand that there are plenty of manufacturers that make continuous hinges. ABH has been given grade #1 BHMA Certified hinges for over 20 years in the USA. Our current offerings of continuous hinges include over 36 different models, along with 28 different modifications to assist in the commercial construction building process. All our continuous hinges are made right here in Chicago. We are a fully integrated manufacturer that extrudes, machines, anodizes, and assembles on our own facility right here. There is no third-party manufacturing in our process to ensure the highest quality control standards. Our hinges are true templated. We anodize after machining. We stock in clear, black, and dark bronze. All hinges are manufactured as heavy duty, and most models are available to ship within 48 hours from date of order entry. If you have any questions regarding our hinges or any of our other products, please give us a call, 630-875-9900, and please tune in for the next episode of ABH's Hardware Hard Knocks, and thank you for watching.